ING Group is a Dutch multinational banking corporation based in the Netherlands. It focuses on retail, direct and commercial banking with investment, asset management and insurance services across 40 countries with over 38 million customers worldwide. Back in 2016, ING Direct Bank saw the speed and rate of change coming as a result of digitalisation, shifts in consumer preferences emergence, and the rise of startup disruption by new fintechs. As a result, ING decided to become the world's first agile bank by rolling out PACE, impacting over 52,000 employees worldwide. An entirely new way to innovate was developed within a single program called PACE. The approach was based upon understanding how startups traditionally run their innovation process, then adapting and adopting a number of innovation methodologies into an integrated process and workflow for internal startup teams to follow. The process is much like you've already seen during this course. Deliver value to customers faster. Reduce handoffs. Simplify and delayer the organisation. Involvement rather than sign-offs. Preference for cross-functional and stable teams. Move the work, not the people. Regular reflection and improvement. PACE uses a combination of design thinking, lean startup and agile development to bring new relevant products and services to customers and market in the shortest amount of time and minimal amount of cost. As well as business outcomes, PACE was designed to create a customer-centric culture and mindset to deliver the value its customers demand rather than those the company assumes its customers might want. The PACE process first starts by listening to the customers, their needs and problems within a given segment. At the same time, the voices of internal employees and competitors are heard and synthesized into clear problem and need statements using design thinking tools and methods. This drives subsequent ideation phases and rounds in order to arrive at new concepts to test. PACE is split into 5 key phases, similar to how you've seen earlier in the course, with the appropriate methodology being applied across each phase with design thinking, lean startup, business model innovation, and agile development. Here you can see how the 3 innovation methodologies fit together in more detail to form PACE's innovation process for teams to follow. Teams are evaluated at each of the 5 stages with specific deliverables, requirements, learnings and evidence before they can move on to the next. Discover, problem fit and solution fit typically take up to 6 weeks respectively. Market fit and scaling is more dependent upon the complexity of the business model and specific technical requirements. Once new concepts have been created and submitted internally for review, at the end of the solution fit, internal teams prioritize them based upon customer feedback, evidence to date, business value to ING, and the strategic innovation goals and objectives at the corporate level. Each new concept is then assigned to a specific innovation domain backlog. For instance, experience, automation, product and marketing, information. Each domain has shared ownership of the products and service ideas, split between the business and the delivery. The business decides what types of products and services should be developed, and the delivery teams decide how it will be built and implemented. For example, the product and marketing domain has a delivery team consisting of IT architecture, finance, change and project management, UX, risk, process, Scrum teams, testers, product owners, developers, Scrum Master. Core to each of these 5 phases is the idea of experimentation loops in order to test critical underlying assumptions at each stage. This enables the teams to de-risk ideas and break it down into manageable iterations to enable knowing for ideas to succeed through the innovation process. Once product owners decide to take new ideas from the domain backlog, they define attributes like potential business outcomes, technical design features, process maps, and implementation plans. Concepts are then split into key features for Scrum teams to break down into prioritized user stories from the customer's value perspective. These features soon evolve into a minimal viable product or MVP to be deployed and further tested and iterated with customers as the concept moves into full-scale rollout. Many innovations concepts have now become successful customer-focused products and services. For example, a mortgage proposition for intermediaries, an improved ING app for customers, a robo-consultant for private investments, a strategic marketing tool for shopping malls, an instant transactions platform for large-scale corporate segments globally, an international peer-to-peer payment platform.